dinosaur scare. Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex, what's the matter? Please help me. My tooth hurts badly. Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex, let's check your teeth. Magic watch. Activate the checkup device. The results show that Mr. Tyrannosaurus Rex is weak and hasn't had anything for a long time. The scan has found a decayed tooth. Let's help get rid of the worms first. Mr. Tyrannosaurus moved. Now, let's extract the decayed tooth. Tie a rope through the decayed tooth first. Captain Tiki, Super Transformation! The bite force of the Tyrannosaurus Rex can break through these obstacles.